Hi, I'm Erin Tyrrell, Clinical Application Trainer with Connie, Connecticut's Health Information Exchange. Today I'm going to show you the My Patient Summary tab of the Connie portal. The My Patient Summary tab is a new feature that allows you to add different tabs into one consolidated view for easy access. Upon clicking into My Patient Summary, you will find instructions on how to customize your view. Within each section of the portal, you can use the thumbtack icon to pin these sections to your customized screen. Once clicked, the pin icon becomes solid blue, and you will find that specific tab displayed in the My Patient Summary dashboard. You may pin up to 8 tabs within the My Patient Summary section. Also, to quickly access instructions for the My Patient Summary once the feature has been configured, users can click on the retractable drawer labeled Definitions in the top right-hand corner of the dashboard. The Instruction tab remains stationary and easily accessible whenever the dashboard has at least one tab pinned to it. Once you have these sections pinned to your My Patient Summary, you will have the ability to move them by clicking on the star button, which will allow you to arrange the order of the pinned tabs as you wish. To remove a section from your view, simply click on the tack icon again to deselect. You are also able to search and hide My Organization Data features on the specific pin tab. These can be found in the top right-hand corner. You can also click on the Settings tab. This way you can add the My Patient Summary as your default view by clicking the arrows and moving it to the top, then click the Save button at the bottom. Thank you for viewing the My Patient Summary video.